Learn how to make lovely earrings out of hemp thread with this book. You will learn the basics of hemp jewelry and how to apply those basics to creating hemp earrings. In these pages, you will learn all about how to create hemp earrings, which is an untapped corner of the jewelry market. Learn how to start a pair of earrings by adding an earring hook. Learn basic hemp square knots. Learn how to do butterfly knots, spiral knots, and inside-outside knots. Learn how to add beads. Learn how to add buttons. Learn how to finish off the piece properly with an overhand knot so that it never comes undone. Plus, tips on how to effectively market your jewelry if you choose to start a business, how to present your jewelry as gifts, and how to make your jewelry as appealing as possible. When you learn how to make lovely hemp earrings, you will have a unique craft that you can use to make gifts for your loved ones, create a jewelry business with, and create jewelry for yourself that will earn you tons of compliments. Stand out from the crowd with this unique and virtually unheard of craft. Everyone will love your earrings, including you. About the expert. Robin McComb has been making hemp jewelry since she was 11 years old. After her first macrame bracelet, she was hooked. Since learning the unique craft of knotting hemp jewelry, Robin has undertaken a lifelong journey of learning new knots and experimenting with new styles of jewelry. When she was 20, she invented hemp earrings after realizing that she never saw them for sale anywhere. She has sold jewelry in stores and has created her own online Etsy business, Robin's Nest Creations. She has also taught basic hemp jewelry making techniques at her local community college. This is her first book on the topic.